So now let's just create user with email and password, that is sign up. Now one important thing we want to do here is let's update the name of this method. That is, when the user click on the sign up or login button, you know that we call this method, which is sign up or login. You know, the best name for this will be, right, select this name, okay, right click on it, then refactor, rename. The best name for this is form validation, and then click refactor. So the name of this is changed to form validation. As you can see, it is refactored successfully. So now for the sign up here, first we will check if the name input, it must not be empty, and also it must be, the length of it must be greater than 3, greater than or equals to, which simply means 3 or greater than 3 characters. Let's say if it is less than 3 characters, or if it is empty, then we can simply display this snack bar, okay, if the name is empty, or if the length is less than 3, or if it is empty. So now let's implement the sign up feature. We will give it name as sign up user now, and to this method we will pass some parameter, for example the name, the email, and the password. So let's just call this we call this method here, and now let's implement this method above the widget build. Above this method, okay, as you know we are above the widget build, okay. So sign up user now method we are implementing here. First we will create user with email and password, that is, we are going to authenticate the user with his or her email and password. User created. We will wait for the response from the Firebase authentication. So we can say wait firebase.instance.create user with email and password, and it has basically 2 parameters, as you can see. One is email, second one is password, which we have to pass to it. Email is email input, password is password input. So it will create a user inside the Firebase authentication. That created user we assign to this user created. Then the next step is upload image to storage.